Hello students. In this class of business statistics, we will be discussing about planning of statistical investigation. Investigation means search for knowledge. Statistical investigation denotes to search of knowledge with the aid of statistical methods. It is nothing but obtaining quantitative information by means of statistical methods. The whole process of inquiry, investigation is carried through with the purpose of building up numerical data so that the same may be analyzed and interpreted. For example, survey to know about population of the country, economic position of industrial labor, monthly expenditure of students, literate, unemployment, etc. may be done by collecting necessary statistical material and analyzing them. The main stages of statistical investigation are, first of all, as statistical investigation is a wide activity, an investigator has to pass through many stages from its planning to report writing. So, the main and the first stage of statistical investigation is planning for investigation. First of all, we have to assess the problem under investigation. The clear plan for the same should be prepared in the light of its object, scope, nature, sources of information, etc. The second step is collection of data. Collection of data is necessary and data is raw data is collected by a suitable method. And then the third step is, in order to gather information from the informants, a list of questions to be asked is prepared. That is, preparing of questionnaires and schedules is also important. Then editing of collected data is done. After collection, the collected data are edited in order to remove errors. And then organizing of data. After the process of editing data, the next step is to classify them in different classes and present them in the form of tables so as to analyze them conveniently. Then next step is analysis. The presented data are to be analyzed by means of mathematical measures like averages, dispersion, correlation, etc. And then interpretation and writing of report. The last stage of investigation is the suitable and proper and unbiased interpretation, and on that basis to prepare a final report of investigation. Now, how to plan statistical investigation? Actually, planning is the primary base of investigation. To draw proper inferences by means of statistical methods for any area of investigation, it is quite vital to obtain suitable, adequate, and correct data for the problem under investigation. As such, the data must be gathered by suitable method. But before we commence investigation, it is imperative to chalk out a comprehensive plan to have scientific approach to the problem in the light of time, labor, and money. If no proper planning is made, fallacious conclusions would be drawn apart from the wastage of time, labor, and money. Before gathering of data, following points should be considered after planning for investigation. They are: object and scope of investigation, sources of information, types of investigation, determination of standard units, and degree of accuracy. The first step is to clearly state the problem, indicating the purpose for which the investigation is to be conducted. Statement of objective is of basic importance because it determines the data which are to be collected, what should be characteristics of concerned data, and what relations are to be investigated, and what techniques are to be employed for investigation, and what will be the subject matter and perform a final report. After determining the object, the period of investigation, sources of information is to be decided. Their sources may be primary or secondary. Primary data is collected by the investigator for the first time as per his own plan using his questionnaire, and the secondary data are those which have already been collected by any other agency or available in published or unpublished manner. The third is type of investigation. Type of investigation can be census or sample, direct or indirect, confidential or open, initial or repetitive, regular or ad hoc, postal or personal, official, semi official, or non official. Then the fourth step is determination of statistical units. Statistical unit is a unit in terms of which the investigator measures or counts the variables or the attributes selected for enumeration which are analyzed and interpreted. Determination of suitable statistical units are quite essential. If the units are not stable, collected data would not be uniform and comparable, and many difficulties are faced in collection process where several unnecessary data are also gathered. The characteristics which are required for an ideal unit are clearly defined. The definition of unit must be clear, rigid, simple, and brief so that different person should not mean differently. For example, price, wages, unemployment, illiteracy must be defined in clear, rigid, and unambiguous language from the very beginning. Secondly, they should be stable and standardized. Unit should be such which is not affected by variations in value. It should be universally accepted and standard, which should remain stable from the beginning of investigation till the end. It should be appropriate. There should be uniformity and homogeneity in the data, and types of units are unit of collection and unit of analysis. Unit of collection are simple unit and composite unit, and unit of analysis and interpretation are rate, ratio, coefficient. So you all understood all these topics. Then we come to the last stage, that is degree of accuracy. Before commencing the actual work of investigation, it is necessary to determine the degree of accuracy desired. Absolute accuracy is impossible to be attained in the every field of statistical investigation. However, a reasonable degree of accuracy must be desired and attained. The degree of reasonableness of accuracy will depend upon the nature of the problem, object, and scope of investigation and available resources. This may be determined on the basis of experience and circumstances. So, the points that I discussed should be taken into consideration before commencing an inquiry. A suitable program for investigation shall give correct, good, and authentic conclusions of investigation. So, in this class, we discussed planning of statistical investigation, the stages of statistical investigation. I hope you all understood. Thank you for this class.